In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to stream Amazon Prime Video on Discord. Let's get started. First, launch your Discord app, then navigate to this option, User Settings. Now here, you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option, Appearance. Under that, you're gonna find the option of Advanced. Click on that. Now here you will find the option of Video Hardware Acceleration. Disable for this option. Next, open your web browser. This works for Edge, Chrome, or similar browsers. Click on three dots, navigate to the option Settings. Now at the top you're gonna see the search box. There type in acceleration. Once the option of Use Hardware Acceleration appears, click on it. Toggle off for that option. Now what you have to do is launch Discord, join your voice channel and start screen sharing. Now play your Amazon Prime Video. So this is how you can easily stream Amazon Prime Video on Discord. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.